Okay, the Cherokee project. In the 1984 Jeep Cherokee, we've gotten this far sanding, taking off the roof rack, and we're sanding away at it. Lots of prep work. Got a new thingy for that. Oh. Take off all the emblems. Still got to tape all this. Lots of taping. Got to rough this paint job down before I put on the Raptor paint. Looks pretty bad. I found this in a field about 3.5 years ago for about $450. The guy says, it's been here for 10 years. I was going to get around to fixing it. Well, I got around to fixing it. I've been driving it and beating the hell out of it for right about 3.5 years now. She's got a nice brand new motor in her. New clutch, new suspension. And so, I thought she ought to get a nice new Raptor paint job. That little area there. Went out to the wrecking yard and found a nice one that wasn't all busted up. So, this is the beginning of the Raptor paint job. We'll get back to you as we go along. The way I understand it, you gotta break the shine off of it. So we'll see how she shoots. I don't know. I'm not a professional at this. I painted a couple cars with spray paint. I'm very good with spray paint, but I don't know about the Raptor. We're gonna find out. We'll get back to you. Okay, so we got the majority of the sanding done. Just gave it a rinse. We'll let it sun dry. And then we will shoot it after we tape it all up. What's going to happen will happen. She's getting a Raptor. The taping begins. Okay, we'll get back after we get ready to do the next step. Okay, I shot the first bottle. I'm shooting it in the wind, and it shoots good. It's some great coverage. I think we're going to be okay here. They're catching cat. Hit it with the next bottle. Should be more than enough, hopefully. lovely boy. So she wrote the second can. Alright, we'll get back to you. Well, there's the fourth can. I hope I got it all. If I didn't, I'll touch it up with some black spray paint. Came out pretty damn nice. The roof rack and the chrome on it. I don't think you know the difference at 100 miles an hour. I don't know what spot I see, but I'm going to bleed through. And I'm on the roof. And all in all, I'd have to say that came out pretty damn nice. It's a Jeep thing. Okay, and here's the finished 1984 Jeep Cherokee. It came out gorgeous. The Raptor paint worked beautifully. Got the chrome on it, roof rack, light bar. It covered up 90% of all the boo-boos. The rust was right here. It's gone. It's just beautiful. A little windy today. This was some Bondo I did. You can't even see it. I didn't do that good of a Bondo job. I can really recommend this Raptor paint. It's amazing. It just looks like a whole different vehicle. Couple things, if you do this, wear a mask and gloves. It's really hard to get it off your skin once you get it on there. So make sure you have lots of ventilation. I let it sit in the sun and get nice and warm before I painted it. So the paint adhered really well. Any little spots that I missed, I can hit it with some inexpensive black spray paint. And that seems to work really well too. So there you have it. It's a Jeep thing.